They've got everything here. Different kinds of Mexican chilies. Oh god, look, so much are there.
The blue one?
Dried. I don't think you're allowed to take these back, you know.
No, you can't take dry stuff back.
You can't, innit?
No, not like that, no. Well, obviously, if
It smells like sooty or something.
okay, fine, that's fine. No brown?
So look, they peel the onions for you.
Yeah.
Which one? This one. Guess what, guys? These are oranges. These are native to Mexico.
Muy rico? It's dulce. Sweet. Sweet, yeah? Muy rico means tasty.
Tasty. Cooking in Mexico. We've got all the ingredients. What are we making?
I'm making an omelette. Cheese omelette.
Thank you.
Oh, now it's working.
Now it's working.
Smells good, isn't it?
Don't say I don't cook for you. I cook the globe.
Cooking.
Just a little bit of burnt onion.
Oh my gosh, you did it again. Flash, you're so smart.
Why?
Should have done it, man. I didn't blame flashing.